In this question, we are given ax by xd equals 2 by 3, right? Ax by xd. What we will do, we will draw a line which is parallel to bx, right? A line parallel to bx passing through d, right? So d is parallel to by. So what does this mean? In this triangle ADE, in this triangle ax by xd should be equals to 2 by 3, which should be equals to ay by ye. But this also implies xy by de should be equals to 2 by 2 plus 3, right? Xy by de should be equals to 2 by 5, right? By basic proportionality theorem, in this triangle, this should be equals to 2 by 2 plus 3, because this and this are in the ratio which is nothing but ax by ad should be equals to 2 by 2 plus 3. Similarly, xy by d should be equals to 2 by 2 plus 3, which is equals to 2 by 5. Fantastic. Now, but in this triangle b, y and c, in this triangle, because AD is median, what does it mean? BD should be equals to DC, right? Because BD equals to DC, that means YE should be equals to EC, because this is parallel to this and this is midpoint, and so obviously this also E also should be the midpoint. So DC should be equals, DC is equals to BD, so EC should be equals to YE. So what does that mean? That means we have a relation between AY and YE when Y is also equals to EC, right? Now, in this triangle BYE, DE should be half of BY, right? DE equals to half of BY in this triangle, because D is midpoint, E is midpoint. And D is midpoint and D is parallel to BY, right? Now, at the same time, XY is, we just direct 2/5 of DE, right? XY is 2/5 of DE and D is half of uh, D is half of by. What does that mean? Xy is 2/5 of D. D is nothing but half of by. Right. This means xy is 1/5 of by. Right. If xy is 1/5 of by, what does it mean? This means, this implies xy should be equals to by, which is nothing but by is nothing but bx plus xy, right? Which means 4xy should be equals to 4xy should be equals to bx, which is what we were supposed to prove, right? So basically, what we are trying to do here, we drew a line DE which is parallel to by, and ax and xd are related. What does that mean? Xy and DE are related. Xy by DE is nothing but 2 by 5. Now, this DE and by are related. Why? Because this line is parallel to by. At the same time, D is midpoint of BC. So this is half of this. So xy is related to DE, D is related to by. Using these two relations, we have proved actually 4 times of xy is actually bx, right?